Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick unboxing to do of this item I picked up from eBay. It should be a HDMI to USB 6-foot extension for the Mavic 8200X Pioneer Stereo Navigation Unit. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright. There it is. Rip it open real quick. It's empty. So this is what I was thinking it was. It is the HDMI to USB. And that was my guess in the UHM. That was my guess that it was this. I wasn't too sure. See here, like the previous video I had shown, which was the dual USB. It was the blue USB 3.0 ports. There was 2 of those USB 3.0 ports on it. This one, like the previous video I showed, that nut was hard. Well, this one is squishy. And then it has this one, which is also squishy. So it's interesting. And I'll go grab one of those real quick. So this is the USB 3.0. And here's the nuts that I was referring to just a second ago from the previous videos. So in this package, these are actually hard. You can squish them, but not very much. It's kind of hard plastic. And these are kind of just a rubber with some threads. So these are the style that I like, that are hard, that keep their shape, because these are kind of annoying, to be honest, the ones that squish, because when you're trying to turn it on and tighten it, what happens is you put too much pressure on it, and it becomes difficult. It becomes oblong, so it doesn't actually thread. So basically the light pressure from your fingers actually makes it feel like it doesn't want to turn, like it locks. So keep an eye out. The good thing is that I bought this specifically for the cable, not for the mount. I also bought it for the cover, because this one comes with a cover, like my old one that I have up here. This one right here, it's got a cover, which is the main reason why I bought another set. I originally didn't buy these on eBay though. I originally bought mine on Amazon, the one that's up there. But the main reason why I picked this up is for the cable. I don't necessarily need this mount. I don't need the screws, because I usually just lay this in the channel, the center console channeling that goes all the way down past the shifter, and then I pop it out into the side of the panel right next to the seat. So the only person that would know it's there is me or whoever drives the vehicle. But I did buy it because I wanted the cover as well as the cable. I'm glad that the USB 3.0, which is this one, which has the same style bracket. This one actually looks glossy, like it's a lot nicer made. This one's kind of rough, it's not smooth. This one's smooth. Same exact bracket. This one's got screws too. This one also has a cover as well. So they're pretty generic. Yeah, make sure I put the stiff ones back in the container that they were with. Just figured I'd show you guys. I did pick up 2 different styles. These nuts, I really absolutely hate these. I hate that they're soft. And I'd have to unravel this whole thing. You know, like the HDMI port came with a cover, the cable, but the USB didn't. You know, it's little things here and there. This one has a cover on the HDMI port as well. The USB doesn't. But I picked 2 up. One for the new limited, one to replace the one that was stuck in the rain. And then this one's a dual USB 3.0. So the reason I picked up 2 of these was because one for my Forerunners, my SR5 never had a dual USB 3.0. So I figured I'd grab one, throw it in there. So one of each is going to go in the SR5. One of each of these is going to go into the limited. But I mainly purchased these because I'm installing an AVIC 8200X Pioneer unit in the limited, since I won the bid on the stereo and everything. But I just wanted to show that to you as a demo. This actually is not necessarily a part of the video, but you know, that's all I got for you guys today. It extends the capability of the stereo, so if it's by my seat, and my kids can literally turn around and they can plug their HDMI plug into here for their console, and then it will show on all the connected stereo and screens in the vehicle. So they can literally plug in their console to this cable, and then I could use the USB to charge my phone, or my wife can use it to charge hers while she's in the passenger seat, or whoever's driving, whoever's in the passenger seat, I could be in the passenger seat. But allows you to plug in a HDMI device, and then I can change the input on the stereo for it to broadcast this signal to the headrest screens, or the infotainment screen that's attached to the roof of the truck. That's actually in a couple spots on the roof of the Excursion, as an example. Because I plan on putting screens in the limited for the headrests, and I plan on installing some screens, little small, you know, like 10 inch or so screens in the roof, and provide and actually make a infotainment system for a limited Forerunner, which may not be done right now, but I'll at least have everything wired up. And you know, 2 USB ports like these right here, you know, the fast charging ports, will come in handy with these new Samsung devices nowadays, because I use Samsung Galaxy Notes. My new Note 10 can do up to 70 watt charging, which is like super fast charging, 2.0 or 3.0, something like that. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I don't need to make the video any longer. It's been almost 10 minutes now. Appreciate your guys' time. If you guys have any questions about these, let me know. I've been using this style cable right here for the last 10 or so years. Never had any issues with it. Just when I got in my wreck, it ended up hanging out the window for the driver's window that I had down, and it got stuck in the rain for several days. So that's why I bought some more. One to replace the one that I may still work, I don't know. And then the other one's for the new limited 4Runner. The SR5 is a 2000. The limited is a 2000. But I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope the information was helpful. I'm kind of getting over pneumonia. And I got a new rack. This rack I got today. So I got to do the rack again on the limited 4Runner. Got everything installed other than the sway bar. Got everything installed, all the lines hooked up. Put a bottle, half a quart of ATF in the system, and I didn't even get to turn the vehicle on or prime the system. Immediately started puking out the rack right at the high pressure line fitting. I think there was something wrong with the threads on the old rack, so this rack showed up. Got to take the brand new rack that I just put on off, and I got to put this brand new rack on. You know, it is what it is, but appreciate you guys stopping by. Just some updates for you. That rack is for the limited 2000. Appreciate all you guys support and you guys hanging out with me today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I just wish it would have came with the stiffer, more plastic style, the flexible plastic style threads or nuts compared to these where they're really squishy. This one's pretty stiff, but you could tell it's really squishy, and this one is just easy to squish. So when you thread these on, if you're holding them too tight, it will cause it to bind because they're made of rubber, and rubber on rubber doesn't really go together. But last thing, top of the description below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. That'll get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. All links are affiliate links, excuse me. So I do get a small commission if you guys use them. If you do use them, it's very much appreciated. I get 10% off when you guys use the Ulsa Tools link, so if you do use it, it is extremely appreciated. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Peace!